Our vision statement says, carry the call. The call we carry as an institution requires us to build the world's most intensely Christian university. Achieving such a reputation will take spiritual vitality and academic excellence very, very seriously.
Was blind, but now I see.
Important that you know that every gift makes a difference. Northwest University is a generous school, and several of the students you are looking at have received scholarships, allowing them to stay in school. Thank you for your support.
Your contributions to scholarships are the reason that a girl like me was able to come to NU. Every dollar and every dime is worth it to be a student here, and it is a priceless experience.
For students who want to be the hand of Christ extended to a world of human need, we will provide a context that builds the spiritual vigor and the world-class professional training they will need to achieve any objective that the call of God and the needs of humanity may place in their hearts.
Can we find 25 $1,000 gifts tonight? Here we go.
Couldn't encourage you enough to try and understand that there is an army rising up at Northwest University. An army that loves Jesus passionately.
The world's most intensely Christian university. Imagine that possibility.